KWESST was founded about the springtime of 2017. I joined the founder first as a strategic advisor and then as an investor and then a bigger investor. And today I'm the executive chairman, really leading the build out of the company. I saw in KWESST a great opportunity to do a rinse and repeat of things we've done very successfully before, which is to pick off really high value, high growth niche markets in the defense and security sector and go on to dominate those niches. And that's what we've done on a few occasions. And the reason we select these market opportunities is that they're multi-billion dollar markets and they're global markets. And that's what we look for, right? Ourselves as people very experienced in the industry, investors ourselves in the industry over the years, and people who build out significant companies, right? And across different niche segments where we've got leading technology, we've got a very experienced team, and we've got the relationships in the industry to make it all happen, and we are making it happen.